Mekatako Market is one of the biggest Irish potato markets in Nigeria, located in Bokos local government area of Plateau State. About 70% of potatoes sold around Nigeria are produced here and transported to other states. They also transport these potatoes as far as Cameroon, Chad, and other neighboring African countries. The market is just an open field requiring more expansion by any willing investor. There is also little to no storage facility here, which could be a good area to invest in.
How much is this bag? No, just tell me the last, because get us me and follow up. 15.5.
Yes.
For this bag. They don't give me cheaper for there. This one and basket, which one big pass?
This one, they are the same pass, no?
This one and that big basket, which one big pass?
This one is pass basket.
This one is pass basket?
Yes.
Your last 15. How much?
This one.
Let me last. 75. Nothing. This guy won't knock me down. Okay, still is bad in this bag. How much? No, you don't do 17. They don't tell me for 25.
Which one?
This one.
No, not this one.
Now two back there.
Yes.
If you ship and Abuja.
Yes.
If you ship and Abuja, we are going to carry them.
Maraba
Oh, Maraba. Right. Okay, so I'll collect the driver number.
Yes.
People usually come from different places all over Nigeria. People usually come here to buy Irish potatoes.
Okay.
For instance, now in Plateau State now, Mekatako market is one of the biggest markets that good buyers are coming.
Okay.
So if you can experience, you can see very good goods that are big, the big ones.
Okay.
Because these people that used to buy from here to Lagos, they don't buy small ones like this one. They buy big ones.
The big ones.
So the challenges we are having here as a laborers, investors, we lack investors.
Okay.
Because the market is big and people usually come here. People of Plateau State patronize this market, but the investors, we are lacking investors. And space. You can see
the market space is small. Okay.
Go to the roadside, you see most of the vehicles are parked outside because there is not enough space inside here that will accommodate all the vehicles. So there is congestion at the roadside. So we are urging the government and we are praying for God so that we should find investors that will come and invest in this market. This market is a very good market.
Yeah, that some of these goods goes outside, not just Lagos. Some people go sell outside Niger and other places. Is it true?
Yes, it's true.
Is it the trailers? Those trailers also come here, or these ones just go to Lagos first?
Like here, the vehicle will convey from here to Lagos, and from Lagos, they will. You know, Lagos people, they want big ones. So they will check from the vehicle, like this vehicle now.
Yes.
You reach Lagos, they will select the best Irish, the one that big inside the vehicle, and reload it to Cotonou.
I see.
So from Maiduguri, they convey Irish from Maiduguri again to Chad, Niger. So they use that link to go to Niger.
How long have you been into the business? How long have you been doing the business?
About 30 years now.
So you're a farmer or you're a middle person?
I'm a farmer.
So where do you normally bring your own goods from?
If we farm it, we bring it with van. Our problem is fertilizer.
Oh, fertilizer.
Yeah.
So have government ever supported you, giving you some fertilizers, or how do you get your own fertilizer now?
We buy it.
Okay. Do government subsidize the money for you?
No.
No. Okay. Has state government ever given you free fertilizers?
No.
What about transportation to bring it from your farm to this place? Is it easy for you?
No, it's not easy. It's not easy. This bag.
Okay.
Pay 400.
You pay how much?
400.
400.
Yes.
Just this bag. Wow. And each market day, like how many bags do you bring?
Based on the goods that we have.
Sometimes 30.
Okay.
Sometimes 10.
So I have one last question. This thing, you farm it all year round, or there's a season?
All year round.
All year round?
Yes.
Okay, potato farms all year round?
Yes.
All right, thank you very much. If somebody wants to buy, can you supply?
Yes.
You can?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
We have feeling for fertilizer. The fertilizer that this people are marketing the farming with it is too costly.
The fertilizer.
The fertilizer.
Okay.
Fertilizer before you have this potato. One bag is almost 28,000.
Okay.
You see, if it is 28,000, how can you apply before you get one sack?
Okay.
So we are pulling for the federal government. Maybe if they don't have power to bring fertilizer, they can bring investment. As we are seeing now, we have GIZ and potato value chain.
Okay. So GIZ worked here. What did they do for you people?
They have not done anything.
Okay.
We have, first of all, we have GIZ here. For long, more than 4 or 5 years. They were saying that they are going to bring seeds.
Seeds
For potato.
Okay.
Up to now, they have not bring it.
They have not brought it.
Up to now.
Okay.
So the potato value chain has come, saying that they are going to bring it. Up to now, they have not.
Potato value chain. They have not also brought the seed.
Up to now.
Okay.
That's in the way.
But this market is too small.
Yeah.
So what you need is a bigger land.
Yeah.
Expansion.
Expansion.
Oh, I get. Okay, I get your
The more
point.
we get enough space.
So more goods can come in.
Yes.
Now, do you have any storage at all to store this potato? Do you have anyone right now? No.
Except the local ones. If you see this shop.
Okay, these shops. It's individuals. Okay. You don't have for the government.
Yeah.
And
if you can get that one can help us very much.
okay.
Because people they can store their Irish that within the week people they will come and
Carry it. Okay. What if we get a private investor for you who can come? Can you work with the private investor to build stores?
Yes.
But you know, his investment, he has to get his money back.
That's
It's not free.
If we should have, I told you now.
Okay.
If we should have that investments.
Okay. So if a private investor come and get a bigger land, working with to get a bigger land, will people move from here to there?
They will move.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Because in the past, government have built markets, people don't move.
No.
They will still stay back.
We'll make agreement and we'll move.
You will move.
Yes, we'll move.
Okay. How much does it cost you to transport from here to Lagos? How much did they charge per bag?
Per bag is 3,000.
Per bag, 3,000.
At times it depends on the situation. When the fuel is high, expect that the price of the transporter will add more money. But when the fuel is not high, it's low,
Okay.
so it will reduce too.
Okay.
Goods are coming from different, that is, let me say, catchment
Areas. Okay, to this place.
So goods are coming from Mangu, they are coming from part of Bokos, now Mushere, and other places, even here.
They bring
so
it here.
So they are married and others, working large, even Panshin.
Okay.
So the place is okay. But only the problem, as I've stated before, that we need more land.
Okay.
Expansion, we need expansion.
Okay.
We need shops.
Okay. So this is dry potato. We're gonna try. Which one are you buying?
Which one?
You buy 30 each. 30.
We eat it like that?
Yes.
This is us. Sounds strong though. This is dry potato. We are eating. It's too strong. How do you eat this?
My mom loves this stuff.
Huh?
My mom.
This is fresh. This is fresh.
So when you buy, when they'll boil after harvest, right? They'll boil the sweet potatoes.
Okay.
You know sweet potatoes spoils very quick. So
After they boil it.
and then they'll slice it and dry it in the sun.
Okay, so you just eat it like that.
Yeah.
So they do similar thing for cassava.
Yeah. And turn it like the bottom.
Yeah. Can boil it, dry it. But I've not seen them eating it shower. People eat fresh cassava, do you know? Fresh cassava. The fresh cassava eating like that.
Pepper.
Not pepper. They're just eating it like that. I'm telling you. In Taraba.
If you enjoyed today's video, please click the like button and comment below what your thoughts are. Please don't forget to share our videos, and if you're new here, do check out other content we have on the channel. You'll definitely find them very interesting, and I'll see you guys on the very next episode.